Hey, what's up, what's up? How you doing? Here I am again. This time we have A8. Oh yeah, digital audio tape recorder deck. DTC-A8. It's kind of semi-professional Sony digital audio tape recorder that is kind of introduced on 1995. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing here on this great website .recorders.co.uk. So it was introduced like in 1995, semi-pro, it was similar to PCM 2600, yeah, but without XLR connection, professional output and inputs, but uses the same 4-drive direct drive motor mechanism, which is the great thing with that. Someone asked me before, I thought all the DATs are digital direct drive motors. No, some of them are they have couple of belts, but this one is like a direct drive, and this one is professional PCM R500, also 4 direct drive motor mechanism. So yeah, it's kind of semi-professional, and you can see the one interesting thing that foot switch mode that you can choose 1, 2, 3. It was meant for the professional use because in the studios you could have a foot switch and to trigger recording or playback or something with your leg, kind of neat thing. Let's say the band is recording and you are holding your hands or your mixer, and you need to start recording and you use your leg, foot, just press on the switch and record or play back or whatever. So this is really very, very good functional device. The only problem that I would find on this device is the display is dim, because the previous owner used it as a digital audio converter. Why? Because it has super bit mapping, and I have to admit I was wrong. Why I was wrong? Oh, no tape. Yeah, I need to clean that switch. Why I was wrong? Because the sound is better with super bit mapping. When you are listening a little bit, you take your time, go back, try with, without, and you'll see the difference. The major difference that I noticed with my Bauer Wilkins vintage speakers is the bass. It's wow. It's a little bit just a little bit more than it needed to be. Is this the end of the tape or what? There is more. So yeah, without, it sounds great. But with it, a little bit more detailed, a little bit more, a touch of bass, something is happening. And my ears, I can hear that small difference. So yeah, I would prefer if I can choose with or without, because you can always turn it off, Turn it off. This is without. Okay, turn it on. This is turned on. I know it's subjective on YouTube video with a Google microphone camera and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a complete and good working device. and you can use it for home use, and you don't even need a remote control because you have all the commands here. You can even dial like a number 9 and play, and that will, you know, find the track number 9 and all that stuff. We have like a analog input, RCA, optical, coaxial, digital inputs. We can of course record long play mode and all that stuff. We also have margin reset button, which is kind of neat, right? The sound is great. And I think this one is working just fine. It didn't give me any problem or troubles. I think all I need to do is record a couple of tapes on it for the final test. And now I'm using it, you know, I have a bunch of tapes that I recorded on many other devices. Now I'm testing it, I think, with a Tascam, because previously I did try Sony tapes and it's working just fine with Sony tapes. So all it's left now maybe is to try and find, before I try long play tapes, maybe to test some Panasonic. Oh, oopsie. Panasonic is kind of tricky. So maybe the Panasonic will be the one of the tough tests. Panasonic. It's not DV, it's SV3700. I don't know why did I, you know, put that on the sticker, but you know, this was Tascam DA30 MK2. Let's see how it's gonna go with Panasonic. It's very hot and humid today in New York City. My air conditioning is usually turned on, but now when I'm recording this I have to turn it off, and it's kind of tricky. Is it gonna be with a Panasonic or not? No? Yeah. Panasonic, no. Let's try again. No. But maybe it's the tape. I got one more Panasonic recording tape. Some of the tapes are like ruined at the beginning. Maybe if I fast forward a little bit, I know it's not about the sticker. Sticker is fine. Let's try to fast forward a little bit. Sometimes it's just the tape is a little bit broken at the beginning, you know. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because when you're repairing and fixing those machines, some of them will chew it up at the beginning. But anyway, I don't want to throw it if it's working. Oh no, it's not working. Now it's the time to see something. Now it's the time to test something. I got this. Could be the tape. I know that tape is problematic. Let's see first. Do I have another? Yeah, I got another Panasonic. This is SV3800, and I know this tape should be fine. Let's first try the another tape. This tape is a little bit suspicious. No distortion, no distortion. Okay, next track. And then we're gonna see if it's the tape or it's that. No drops. So let's go back on that problematic tape. Problematic tape, get in. I know it's problematic. It gave me problems with other machines. Now it's working fine, right? Let's skip another track. We are looking for distortion. If we have some distortion or drops, then it's bad. No distortion. Yeah, exactly what I want to hear. No tape. Look at that. That no tape is because there is one switch here that is a little bit dirty, and sometimes when the tape is moving, the switch would tell that like there is no tape, but the tape is inside. I'm just gonna clean that switch. But anyway, I think no tape. Look, it's working, but it says no tape. Anyway, I think it's the tape. That tape is like a problematic. It sounds good, but at the beginning is like That's why I'm gonna try more tapes. First, I'm gonna put this away, and then I'm gonna put back this one, 3800. Let's see. Yes, this one is proper, fine, doing its job. You see, fast forward, play. Yes, rewind. It doesn't say no tape. It's working just fine. Maybe it's just the stupid tape. But I have to test it, you know. I have to test it in all different occasions. This one is working fine. So what I want to mention, you can use if you are suspicious that the head is dirty, there is a Sony cartridge cleaning tape, which is kind of working fine if the head is not very dirty. But this is what you need to know, like if you're gonna use it, you have to use it for 10-12 seconds, and then just stop and eject, because you don't want to rewind or do something stupid like that. Now it's using the tape for a cleaning, and that tape needs to stay away. No rewind, never. So I let it go for a 15 second stop, eject, and that's it. And how long you're gonna use this tape, I don't know. You can use it a lot of time. It's basically meant for the cartridge cleaning, but it's the same mechanism, so you can use it for your cleaning. So now, to cut the video shorter, we're gonna try LP cassettes. This is recorder Tascam. Why LP? Because those are problematic. If the head is not properly aligned or something, you will not be able to play. Those are kind of, you can see long, it says here long, and now we have a 4 hours long DJ mix. So it's 4 hours recorded on a 2 hours tape with a long play mode. So you're gonna choose here long, and then you can record. So I have to mention, when you do that, the quality will drop. When you are recording standard normal speed, the quality is a 2 Hz to 21 kilohertz. But if you're recording long play, it's going to be 20 Hz to 15 kilohertz. So the higher frequency will not be the same. But hey, for this kind of thing, DJ mixer, this and that, you can use long play. Why not? Long play is working just fine. That's kind of why would you use LP? Because if you want to keep something on your DAT, you want to be highest quality, you're never going to use LP. But if you're recording game or something, then where the sound is already, if you're recording from your FM radio, you should use LP. That's what I'm saying, So let's try, the LP recorded on Sony, this one, professional unit. Let's see how that goes, so we can end up this video. I think it's gonna work. Or maybe not, let's see. Yeah, that's the track. Yes, the same thing. DJ Mix recorded on 4 hours, but it plays tape. I'm gonna okay, no tape, which means clean the switch. But I'm gonna try to fast forward, to go a little bit more. This unit has some scratches, dents, it's not like new or something like that. But you can use it to play, record, transfer your DATs. To computer, whatever you choose. Usually people would transfer all their tapes, if they are in good condition, to computer, and then they would have it as a digital files. But sometimes you just have tapes and you want to play them, you don't care about anything else. You just want to play your tapes, or maybe even record it something. I should record something. I think there is some CDs playing. Let's see. Yes. But that's gonna be probably enough for today. I'm not gonna record anything right now. I'm gonna test it a little bit more. I know I need to clean that switch that it showing no tape at some moments, but that's kinda easy job. Alright, take care.